Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating studs or measuring for anchors. This matters because metal wardrobes concentrate load at mounting points. Once you know wall type, mark 2 vertical points at wardrobe top and bottom. Use a level to align. Drill pilot holes sized for the chosen fasteners, 5/32 for small screws or 1/4 for toggles in drywall. Secure one top anchor lightly so you can adjust. This first attachment gives you a stable hinge point to lift and register the wardrobe accurately against the wall. Once the wardrobe is hung on the first anchor, get a helper to hold it level while you install the opposite top fastener. This prevents stress twisting the metal frame. Tighten both top anchors hand tight, then install lower anchors, spacing them evenly along the side rails. Use washers and lock nuts on through bolts to prevent loosening from repeated door use. Make sure the unit is plumb. If not, insert thin metal shims behind mounting points and recheck before fully torquing all bolts to the specified setting. Finish by reinstalling doors, shelves, and trim, then load the wardrobe progressively. Start with light items, then move to normal load so you can observe any shifting. Once loaded, cycle drawers and doors several times. Listen for creaks and watch for movement at anchor points. If you find looseness, tighten anchors in sequence, do not over-tighten. Replace any drywall toggles with sleeve anchors or install a rail into studs for higher load. A practical tip: if persistent wobble continues, remove unit and add a horizontal cleat screwed into studs before rehanging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.